Just got to NOLA Muscle Park. It seems like it's going to be a pretty small event today, which might be really nice. The setup is kind of small, but it looks like there's some really fun challenges in there, so I'm going to go give those a try. No, I'm getting it like a champion. Oh, yeah. Oh, so close. Oh, that was beautiful. You about to have all the boys in your DMs. Just kill me. I don't know if that's right. Wait. I don't think it's right. It's all about the wrinkles. There you go. That just looks really sexual. We're staying at the Wyndham Hotel in New Orleans, French Quarter, and we're going out tonight. Woo! Oh, that's a good one. Smoothie king. So you land here, and then you like bounce up, and then like that.
You do a lazy back basically. So.
We're somewhere in Texas. Isn't that crazy?
These things might attack you at any second.
That'd be cool.
What are the odds you go shake that tree really quick?
Oh, 1 in 5.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
4. Always hit the gas. Jesse, I want you to be here for this moment. Try backflipping my flip flops.
After being stuck in a bus for 8 hours, no warm up.
No warm up. Flip check. Oh my god, my feet are so sweaty. Hold on. Ew, there's like crazy bugs down here. Oh my god. Oh! It came off halfway through and then I got back on.
Best part about her losing the odds to go scare the birds and shake the tree. You got pooped on.
I guess I'll go change my shirt. Jesse, is it just like home?
It's just like home, except for smaller, and the drink doesn't taste as good.
Oh, well, we're at Eureka, which is right by the gym where we eat there all the time.
Not to be a dick.
Good morning. I'm gonna go over to Starbucks and work for a while. I think one of my favorite things about this tour actually is the fact that I've been able to wake up in a new area and get to work every day. I don't know. Anyway, I think we're on day 52 or 53 or 51. We've all lost track. But we're getting on the tail end of the tour, which is kind of crazy to me. I don't know how to feel about it. I'm gonna be sad when it's over, but at the same time, I'm so ready to get back into a normal routine. Jesse grew out his mustache and shaved his face. We're in downtown Austin. We're looking for spots to train and film. This is one of them. We're gonna get started. Alright, I don't know if you saw that, but that cat leap was kind of gnarly because there was like this tiny little rail that I had to go on. But we're looking at this jump. I don't know if I can do it yet. Don't know if Jess is gonna do it yet. We're gonna see.
Do the come, but there's no run up.
Yeah, that
So
sucks.
it's kind of just like, could just be like a kind of come up plyo.
That could work. Oh, that might have just broke. Yeah? Wait, look it up again. Well, I don't get to do it now. We just got down here and it smells so bad. We found out there's a dead rat over here that I'm not gonna show you. Ugh. But I'm gonna go do a jump. That sounds really bad, yeah. Always with the hot dogs.
I love wieners. Ah!
This looks amazing. We're gonna go check out this place called Graffiti Park, and we're taking birds over there. Little scooters. Yeah. I swear there was 2. Our birds. We're taking our turds.
Yeah.
I've seen this homeless man like 40 times today just wandering around. This is terrifying. Right? Here. Spag up. Our event in Austin is today, woo! At BAM Academy. I've never been, but I have seen videos and I'm excited to see it. Update on Corbin, he is back in LA, which is great because he's gonna start therapy and all that. And I talked to him on the phone yesterday. Everything's still a little bit jumbled when he talks, but he seems really happy and that's all that matters, and he's great. He's gonna be okay. Egg in my cheese. As he talked about going to some natural pool, which means some water. I don't know. I don't even know what am I saying. Sorry. Ugh. Apparently this is a thing.
You're nuts. You can't land nicely on slimy, uneven rocks.
Rev. Uh-oh. Go, fight him, fight him! Pumped? BAM Academy! About to start the event.
GoPro, stop recording.
No. He changed it! GoPro, stop recording! Yeah, I lost odds, I'm over it. I have to go ask someone at the gym where the pyrotechnics are.
Oh, they're ready.
Just don't hurt yourself saying that. It sounds like you're having a hard time. Let's go.
Hi, quick question for you. Are the pyrotechnics ready? Sorry, I lost odds. I had to say.
You suck at odds.
It's like max effort. Yes! Awesome! Yeah! Finally. Pictures going on today.
What's going on here?
Yes. Hi.
Yeah, you're tall. You get to go.
Sebastian.
Oh, this is Sebastian, and he just agreed to let me punch him in the face for some reason.
No odds.
No odds.
Just straight up.
That's just never gonna remember.
It's like your first time drinking beer.
Man, you don't let a woman hit you in the face.
I'm getting to Sydney's height.
Okay.
You can be a little taller than that. I won't, I'm not gonna go that hard. Because it's like, it's different because it's not Jeff, you know?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Damn.
Some cold brew for the drive. We're off to Dallas.